Welcome to Trade School YouTube channel. Let's go to gold analysis now.
Let's see about the events today. We have high impacting news on core PPI at 6.0 p.m. today and second high impacting news on FOMC meeting minutes at 11.30 p.m. So trade carefully. Still, the gold respect the trend line overall. It was in sell trend but day candles in bullish engulfing. If gold price gets down, we can focus for buy from the buy zone 1848 to 1851, expecting gold can reach the level of 1875 to 1880. We have marked both buy and sell zones to make your trades easy. Sell zone was in the range of 1875 to 1878, can expect good movement in this range. We also marked second sell zone in the range of 1908 to 1913. If breakout happens in first marked sell zone, our next resistance will be in the range of 1908 to 1908 to 1913. There are many possibilities gold can move to next resistance area 1875 to 1878 from current price, else it may fall little bit and give upward movement to sell zone area marked in the chart.
Kindly give your support by subscribing Trade School channel and join the Telegram channel to get more updates. Link given in description. Thank you for watching.